Hello everybody, I am here with my little gardening helper today, and we are going to be creating a flower bed. Spring is right around the corner and I just want to spruce up our backyard. So stay tuned with us in this video as we do a step-by-step of how we are building a flower bed in the backyard. Okay? Alright, so as you guys can see here, we already used the shovel to kind of dig the base for our flower bed. And now I'm just going in with my garden claw to kind of till up the dirt some more. Now that we have tilled the dirt, we tilled all the dirt. Now that we've tilled the dirt, we're just gonna pull out any grass, sticks, blocks, so that the bed can be clean. Come on, Ryan. You gotta get all these leaves out. Alright, y'all, so again, I'm just getting any rocks, leaves, sticks, and grass bits out that I see. I have Ryan watering my other flower bed because he kept trying to take the camera. So now I got most of the grass and rocks out. I'm just tilling the dirt one more time to pull up any extras that I might have missed. And then I'm gonna water the ground so that it can get nice and moisturized for all of the flowers that we will be adding in tomorrow. Pick it up, put it down. Pick it up, good job. Good job. Good job. Positive reinforcements. Sometimes you have to do a little love tap. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to be watering said flower bed. That way it can be nice and moisturized for the flowers we're going to add in tomorrow. I'm going to take Ryan inside because that would just be a hot mess, mud everywhere, all of that. But as you guys can see, this is the bed. I like how it's looking. We got a lot of the grass, bits, rocks, and like other little, like these little, I don't know what these are called, but we got most of them out. And then, yeah, we'll be ready to add our flowers in tomorrow. Good morning, good people. So we are now up, headed to Home Depot to get some bricks, and we're gonna go get the plants that we're gonna be putting in the ground. It's really cloudy outside today, so I'm kind of glad because it's expected to rain tomorrow. So we're gonna make sure that we get all of the plants in the ground so that way they can be ready to be rained upon tomorrow. Say hey, Ryan. So we've got our plants and Ryan is just enjoying running around the place. What you doing? You see the soil? This is like a field trip for him, coming to this outdoor plant garden. Alright you guys, so now we are back home. These are the plants that I purchased. I've already kind of positioned them where I want to place them. The other plants I actually used on my other garden that I'll show you guys. I need to fill in those bricks also, but this will be like a purple green side, And over here will be our pink and orange. Ryan picked out the orange flowers. So now let's get him into the ground. He's not outside because he's taking a nap, so I just used this time to take advantage of that. We're just gonna add the soil on top so it can have that finished look. I like to just dump and just spread. All right, the garden is now complete. Like I said, it's supposed to rain tonight, so the flowers are gonna get nice and wet so that their roots can be moisturized, if that even makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you next time for some more spring projects. I'm now going to go clean my hands. They are so dirty. Bye.